This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene,
Put your vehicle to the side of the road.
Whoa! What is this place? Whoa! Come on, you guys, let's go!
or captures the full extent
Do you want to know my secret?
of nature's fury.
Portal closed.
Welcome to a whole new universe of sight and sound. Dolby Vision maximizes the power of every pixel for earth-shattering depth, color, and clarity. Dolby Atmos puts you inside the action with sound that truly surrounds. Born from cinema, now built for TV. See, hear, spectacular.
In the back of the beyond, from one night of a storm to another, a cavernous unknown for the sea to survive. We sang. I'm muscling that up, 'cause every bone in my body's got nowhere left. And when the strength bleeds out, it's the hopes and the dreams that hold on. Magic me, you kill me, but I only get stronger. Magic me, am I everything that's wrong in this world?
Prepare to experience something spectacular with the sight and sound of Dolby technology. This is Dolby Atmos. Now, sound moves around you in three-dimensional space with breathtaking audio quality. It brings the on-screen action alive and immerses you in every moment. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene
What is this place? Come on, you guys, let's go.
or captures the full extent
Do you want to know my secret?
of nature's fury. And remember this? It's just the beginning of Dolby Vision, because what you thought was black isn't. This is black. This is contrast that delivers greater detail and dimensionality. This is luminance that means the difference between white and pure energy. Energy that is about to reveal an entire universe of color that will transform your viewing experience.